Meet the Huawei Mate X6, an engineering marvel with an unfolded thickness of just 4.3 millimeters. This ultra-slim design is not only a testament to cutting-edge technology, but also enhances portability and style, making it a standout in the world of foldable smartphones. Capture the world in stunning detail with the Mate X6's advanced camera setup. Featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with variable aperture, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom, and a hyperspectral sensor for unmatched color accuracy, your photos will never be the same. Experience the future of mobile operating systems with Harmony OS Next. Built on a new in-house kernel, it offers AI-powered multitasking capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly switch between tasks like note-taking and video watching, all while enhancing efficiency and user experience. The Huawei Mate X features an innovative trifold form factor, offering a stunning 10.2-inch full display when unfolded. Its ultra-thin 3.6mm profile when fully open sets it apart from other foldable phones. This phone boasts a luxurious design with gold-framed edges and vegan leather in either red or black. The intricate patterns around the camera and hinges elevate its premium feel. With its dual hinge mechanism, the Mate X provides unmatched flexibility. Users can split windows, optimize screen space, and enjoy an immersive 3K 90Hz display for work or entertainment. When it comes to dimensions, the Huawei Mate X6 measures 156.6 millimeters in length, while the Huawei Mate X Ultimate is slightly longer at 156.7 millimeters. That extra millimeter may not seem like much, but it can affect how the device feels in your hand, especially when unfolded for that immersive experience. In terms of weight, the Huawei Mate X6 is significantly lighter at 239 grams compared to the Huawei Mate X Ultimate, which weighs in at 298 grams. This lighter build makes the Mate X6 more portable and easier to handle for extended periods. The Huawei Mate X6 offers a display size of 7.93 inches, while the Huawei Mate X Ultimate boasts a larger 10.2 inches. This larger screen on the X Ultimate not only enhances your viewing experience, but also provides more space for multitasking and productivity. Both the Huawei Mate X6 and the Huawei Mate X Ultimate feature an impressive 50-megapixel wide lens, but the X Ultimate takes the lead with a periscope telephoto lens that offers a 5.5x optical zoom compared to the 4x on the Mate X6. This means the X Ultimate is better equipped for capturing distant subjects with clarity and detail. When it comes to internal memory, both devices offer robust options, but the Huawei Mate X Ultimate stands out with configurations that include 1 terabyte of RAM. This allows for seamless multitasking and storage of extensive media files, making it ideal for power users. The Huawei Mate X6 has a resolution of 2240 by 2440 pixels, while the Huawei Mate X Ultimate offers a slightly lower resolution of 2232 by 384 pixels. However, the X Ultimate compensates with its larger display, providing a more immersive viewing experience despite the minor difference in pixel count. Both devices are powered by impressive chipsets, with the Huawei Mate X6 featuring a Kirin 925 nanometers and the Mate X Ultimate housing a Kirin 910 7 nanometers. The Mate X6's more advanced chipset offers better performance and efficiency, making it a compelling choice for demanding tasks. In the battery department, the Huawei Mate X Ultimate packs a larger 5600 mAh battery compared to the 5110 mAh in the Mate X6. This translates to longer usage times, especially for heavy users who rely on their devices throughout the day. Both devices come equipped with an 8-megapixel selfie camera, but the Huawei Mate X Ultimate adds HDR capabilities, enhancing your selfies with improved dynamic range. This feature allows for more vibrant and detailed self-portraits. The Mate X6's Kirin 9020 chipset is built on a 5-nanometer process, offering enhanced performance and efficiency compared to the 7-nanometer Kirin 9010 in the Mate X Ultimate. This technological edge gives the Mate X6 a slight advantage in processing power and battery management. The Huawei Mate X6 features a foldable LTPO OLED display, while the Mate X Ultimate has a tri-foldable LTPO OLED. The trifold design of the X Ultimate not only adds versatility, but also enhances the overall user experience by allowing for multiple display configurations. The cover display on the Huawei Mate X6 is a standout feature, with its 6.45 inches and 2500 nits peak brightness, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight. In contrast, the Mate XT Ultimate offers a dual display setup that enhances multitasking capabilities, making it a more versatile option for users on the go. Both devices support 4K video recording, but the Huawei Mate X6 can shoot at 60 FPS, while the XT Ultimate is limited to 30-60 FPS. This gives the Mate X6 an edge for those who prioritize high-quality video capture. While both models offer innovative features, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate stands out with its voice editing capabilities in split-screen mode, enhancing productivity and creativity. These features make the XT Ultimate a powerhouse for content creators and multitaskers alike. Lastly, when it comes to pricing, the Huawei Mate X6 is more budget-friendly at $1,800, while the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate comes in at a premium price of $2,800. This difference reflects the advanced feature and larger display of the XT Ultimate, making it a worthy investment for those seeking top-tier technology.